Hey guys, quick update. What did I keep from my daily look unboxing? Well, obviously the zebra print is one of the tops I chose to keep from that unboxing. And of course, I also did my Style Sunday on Sunday, and I already showed that I had kept this beautiful floral print with the smock sleeves. I love this thing. And I was going to get 3 items so that I could save 50% on one, and I had to limit it down to 3 just because of cost. So what was the third item that I chose? I decided on the pink moto jacket. It was either this or it was the dress. And the dress was beautiful, but what it came down to was I would just get more use out of these 2 items than the dress. So I went back and forth, dress and the pink moto and this, because the pink moto worked with both of them, worked with, a lot of other things. But the dress was really a standalone item, and I don't wear dresses as often as I use tops. So this is what I decided to keep. I want to thank everybody for your help in this. I normally on Style Sunday, I don't talk about the unboxing from the week before, but I did. I said I'm having a hard time making up my mind. What do you guys think? And a couple of people did bring up, hey Nancy, you're not going to wear that dress as often as you will the other pieces. And one person said, you are having that little gapping problem. It wasn't bad. There was a little bit of a gap on the dress. And I thought, well, that's true. It would be something I was always self-conscious about. So these are the 3 items I decided to go with. If you would like to watch that unboxing, I will link it down below. And coming up Thursday, we have another Stitch Fix. So let's see if the stylist did any better on that one. Thanks a bunch for watching, guys. Bye-bye. And be blessed.